what we need to do next is we need to make all the frame for that lantern area. So we're going to come in here and we'll go ahead and make a new box. We'll add that into the scene on our gizmo. We'll shuffle it into place. And then we're going to use another box on the inside of this box. And just to get the sizing right, I went ahead and sized it so that the ratio is correct. I went ahead and sized it to where it's a similar or same size as the lantern center box area. And then with both clones, I'm just going to go through and make sure that we carve out the center of the one box from the other. And that will make the frame area for the lantern. And then we can squish that down. We'll use that blue circle to squish it down to where it forms a nice solid frame. And then we'll go ahead and add in a radial array, and we'll use that radial array to help us position where that box needs to be to form the frame properly for the lantern. And I'm just checking to make sure that it's lining up correctly, that it's in kind of the right rough position. Then we're going to shrink that thing down and move it up into that top left hand corner. And we'll be able to start using that to make the inner frame of the lantern shade. So here I just kind of rough guess about where I think it needs to be, pull it outwards until it meets with the other one. And this is kind of eyeballing it. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Just kind of trying to make sure that it roughly fits where it should be. And then we'll go ahead and clone that, move one off to the right, and then we'll clone it again. Both of those, pull it down, and then just like that, we have all four of the frames done. Double check the rough position of those. I think it looks pretty good.